In what it said was the largest ever drug bust in the national capital, over 560 kilograms of cocaine and 40 kg of marijuana worth over rupees 5,000 crore were seized in Delhi on Wednesday. 4 men were arrested in connection with the drug bust after a raid in South Delhi. According to the police, an international drug smuggling syndicate is behind this massive cocaine consignment. At 9 p.m. on Tuesday, the special cell raided a godown of a publishing house in South Delhi's Mahipalpur, arrested 4 men and seized the consignment. The main accused, Tushar Goel, is the owner of Tushar Publications and Tulip Publications. A resident of Vasant Vihar, he owned the godown where the drugs were seized. The 40-year-old, in fact, has been on the police radar for the past 4 months. The latest drug bust in the national capital follows the arrest of 2 Afghan nationals after 400 gram of heroin and 160 gram of cocaine from their possession was found in Delhi's Tilak Nagar area on Sunday. On the same day, Delhi Customs seized 1,660 gram of cocaine valued over rupees 24 crore from a passenger at Indira Gandhi International Airport.
A team of special cell led by DCP Amit Kaushik and ACP Kailash Best has busted an international drug syndicate in which 4 persons have been arrested and 562 kg of cocaine and 40 kg of Thai marijuana has been recovered. 3 persons who were a part of supplying chain and 1 receiver have been arrested. Himanshu Tushar Goel, who is the main distributor and receiver here in India, along with his 2 associates, Himanshu and Aurangzeb, have been arrested. And 1 Bharat Jain, who has come all the way from Kurla, Mumbai, to receive approximately 15 kgs of cocaine, has also been arrested. This information was initially received almost 3 months back from a central intelligence agency on which this team dedicatedly worked on this.
What is the expected amount?
Expected cost of this cocaine, which is around 10 kgs, 10 crores per kg in international market, and this Thai marijuana is around 40 to 50 lakhs per kg in international market.
And what is the background of main accused?
Main accused comes from a very affluent background. His father has got a publication house. He is around 40 plus age and has a very flashy lifestyle. Lives in Vasant Vihar, Delhi.